On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story effects problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So the first thing you wanna do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then go to the Instagram right here. And after that, you have to click on this force stop option and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, and this time you have to search for the Google Play right here. Click on the Google Play services and then click on force stop, and go back again and click on the Google Play Store and click on force stop here too. And the last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Instagram and click on update. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.